That got pretty low for the amount of space in here.
Yeah, exactly. It hits the 147 at like 22 hertz, so it's too.
See, you're tuned low. You too, man.
Got Jacob now. Over a demo today, man. Now you. Let's go.
JacobViral, yeah, man. All right.
You want them out? You want just me and you?
We can all be in.
Hey, Damien, jump in the back.
Jump in the back. Can I get under the hood real quick? Show me underneath.
Oh, the hood?
Yeah. Don't worry about it then. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High. I was just trying to see the alternator.
It has a Brand X 350 in it right now, but I just ordered 3 Brand X 475s.
Okay.
It's gonna be 1 running the stock truck and 3 for the system. And it's gonna be 4 ZV718s on a flat wall.
Okay.
But right now it's just a ported box tuned to 24.
Okay.
On a Big Boss 8K.
So what is your name and all the equipment?
Jason Wittenberg and 2 Sundown ZV515s on a Big Boss 8K.
Nice. Did you build all this?
Got everything, yes sir.
I like the amp rack layout. Keeps vibration off too.
It does, it does. And I kept it separated from the box to try to keep vibrations down, but you still get it through the floor.
And you still have your back seats.
Yep.
And this is a big back. What vehicle? As a Suburban?
Yukon XL.
Yukon XL. That's
So
how you
same
have
thing as a Suburban.
You got all the space.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. What is the specs on the box?
24 hertz, tuned to 24 hertz. I think it's like 7 cubes, 8 cubes maybe.
Okay.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. And then all your 4 channel, 2 channels.
Yes sir. 2 PRV Q 1200.1s. Those run the doors. And then the 2 MD 1200.1s. Those run my outsides. The Timpano 5K that runs my 12s in the doors. And the 3K that runs one of my 12s. I have 9 12s in the back on the.
Oh wow, yeah. And this is that 1 ohm or half ohm for the boss?
That's that 1 ohm.
All right.
1 ohm.
Who did the doors?
Me.
Did good.
Everything, man.
A lot of work. I like it.
Yeah, man, it's not bad.
Yeah. Any SPL tests?
147. It's not the loudest, but it's all right.
Any goals out of it? Anything else you plan to do with it in the short term?
In the short term, honestly, no. I'll rebuild time soon. I got what I wanted out of it. It's time for the next, the next stage, man.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good, man.
Let's see what we got.
All right.
Woo. That good? You want another song? Or
yeah, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Dude, that got pretty low for the amount of space in here.
Yeah, exactly. It hits the 147 at like 22 hertz, so it's too.
See, you're tuned low. I thought that. I was like, man, it's playing really low.
Really fucking low. Let me see if I got lower.
All right.
Little John, the place.
All right. Wow.
Not bad for just a ported box, man.
Yeah, dude. You like the lows, I can tell.
I love the
I appreciate it.
Sucks about phones, man. You need a USB drive.
Who's that creeping through my window? Before you come up. What's happening? What's happening? Hey, why you on the door? Look at me. What's up, boy? What's happening? What's up, Subwoofer? What's happening? Hey, now, ladies and gentlemen, we about that time now. About that time. Turn this thing on now. Now, let me see everybody do this.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High. Thank you, man. You're welcome. Thank you for the demo.